I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You will start inside Settings, so open Network and Internet, then Wi-Fi right away. You need the network listed under Saved Networks. If it's active or previously connected, you're ready. Once in Wi-Fi, tap Saved Networks to see the list. Make sure you have the target SSID visible. This step is crucial because you can only reveal saved credentials through System Views or QR export. If you don't see Saved Networks, you search in Settings for Saved to navigate quickly and proceed to the next step. Once you tap the saved SSID, choose Share or Show QR Code. Android exposes credentials this way for sharing. You'll be asked to authenticate with your device PIN, pattern, or fingerprint to protect the password. Complete that prompt. After authentication, you'll see a QR code and often the plain text password below on many manufacturers' builds. If only a QR appears, scan it with another phone camera or a QR reader app to reveal the password. Make sure to copy it accurately character for character. To finish, write or paste the password into the target device and test the connection. If the Share/QR option isn't available, you can use Android Debug Bridge, a DB, on a computer to pull Wi-Fi config files, but that's advanced and requires USB debugging enabled. Also check that work profiles or device management policies aren't blocking password display. If you hit a restriction, remove the profile or ask the administrator. Then retry the share flow after authenticating. That single troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.